But my matcha is... It's not moving with me. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if today starts a new vlog or not, but if so, welcome to the channel. My name is Amber Shanice, and for all my returning subscribers, hey girl, hey, thanks for tuning in for another vlog. So today we're gonna get started. I just got off 5 o'clock. Okay, so I made it back home so I can prepare dinner. I haven't cooked in a while, y'all, and I'm tired of eating out, so I'm about to make the easiest, simplest meal I know how, okay? I purchased a gimbal. Is it moving with me? No, it's not moving with me. I bought a gimbal off of Amazon because I wanted to like increase the quality of my vlog. So I'm trying to get used to it, trying to see. It's not moving with me. I'm trying to get used to it, trying to see if it's something that I like. I want to continue to have. If not, I'm going to just send it back. But we had a birthday party, impromptu birthday party at the house this weekend for my daughter. She turned 2, and I really have not been able to like a deep clean since then. And today is what, Tuesday? We had the party on Saturday. Anywho, after all that fun, I really just need to deep clean the house. Anywho, I went to Publix. I picked up a couple things. Bought some Tropicana for the household. I bought some, this thing was $4, y'all, but it's the smoothest almond milk I've ever had, and I like it to go into my smoothies. So this is the smoothie mix that I get from Publix. They don't have it in my Walmarts that I go to. I don't ever see it, so it's the one that has the dragon fruit in it and the banana. It's really, really smooth, really good. And I be putting some of my, I be putting some of this in there. Like this right here. And I promise you, my stuff be tasting like it comes from Tropical Smoothie. Like, it be on point, okay? But like I said, I'm about to make the quickest, easiest dinner of all time because y'all know it's the quickest and easiest. So, I have some sweet potatoes in a microwavable bag, period, okay? I have green beans. They're in a microwavable bag too, but I got to cook my green beans because they be tasting real watery inside this bag. And then I got some salmon. I'm sorry, salmon. Oh, I hate that. And people say that it's really pronounced salmon.
It is.
I don't care. There's an L in there. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna cook this salmon. Period. Cool. I got 3 regulars, and then I got 2 bourbon kind because my husband loves those bourbon kinds. And then I got 3 of the regular ones. And I also got some of these, is it Belvita breakfast biscuits. I also got some of this finishing butter for my salmon. I had this last time with my crab legs. Y'all, this butter is so freaking good, so I'm gonna cook it in this butter. I got to live for I thought. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other. You don't need no other. Only you feel
made it mess in my mind. And I made it make you free of your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your love. I got to live for I call. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I made it mess in my mind. And I made it make you free of your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your love. I got to live for I call. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Deep, got rest on me, why they watching me? On Curiosity Street, annual plans are $20, just $1.60.
Hey my babies, welcome back to another vlog. Y'all, they done suckered me into it, okay? First of all, I do want to say that I used to get matcha lattes from Starbucks years ago. My friend Corliss put me on these a long time ago, but I literally have no clue or remember how I used to order them. Do not block me in here, lady. I have no clue how I used to order them. I used to order them special. Like, I used to put certain stuff in it, and they were so good. But I didn't remember what it was, so I just asked them to put some vanilla sweetener in here. So that's all I have in this. Hopefully it tastes like I remember it, because they used to be lit and I stopped going to Starbucks, so I don't know. I feel like I'm being followed. They're not following me, they just have to get out, and I feel like I have to move so I can let them out. Anywho, y'all, I just left the dentist. I have to go back to work at 1:30. But I just left the dentist, and girl, I got a cleaning, and then I also got uh-oh, y'all just moving. I got a cleaning. Oh, y'all moving. I got a cleaning, and I also scheduled to get my wisdom teeth removed. You guys, that lady scrubbed my teeth for dear life. I'm like, sis, are they that dirty? Like, there's no way. I think you just don't like me. Let's taste this matcha. I hope it tastes like I remember. It do. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. A lot of people are saying that it tastes like grass. You cannot order these things without some kind of sweetener in it, I swear. If you do, you setting yourself up. Y'all, look at this mess. Everybody and their mamas. Everybody and their mama. But oh, there's a Starbucks right there. I could have just went to that Starbucks. But my matcha is lit though. Extremely lit. Loving it. They have such a system here. It's beautiful. I really wish my life was as organized as Chick-fil-A drive-thru service. Like, this is ridiculous. This is so crazy. It's such a high volume of people here, and the way that they run these lines is impeccable. I still don't understand. Yo, first of all, they got old girl out there directing traffic, okay? She's directing people, letting folks know when to go, when to stop, all this great stuff, right? And then, boom, you get around the corner, and they already taking your order, and you just pulled up, basically. They put it in a little system, and you just drive. I mean, and it's a high volume of traffic here, and people, and they were just going in and out. I'm almost to the other side of the building already, and I just pulled up. Like, this is crazy. These people need to be getting paid at least $20 an hour because they out here in the sun, they be out here in the heat, in the cold, everything. Like, this is just immaculate. Chick-fil-A, your customer service is bar. I mean, look, this man's all the way back here passing out food. He all the way back here passing out food, y'all. What the hell? What the hell? I mean, like, that's just crazy. It's so crazy. And you got all these people coming here just to get some food. I just take this out of life, you know? I take this and apply it to my life because I feel like this is how I need to move in my own world, my own society. This organized and just getting shit done. Like, oh my God.
Hi. All right, Amber?
Yes.
Here you go, Miss Amber.
Thank you.
My pleasure. You have a great day.
You too. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I'm all the way back here. And I got food.